Today's trading summary, 13 May 2024. Forex Teacher started the day with an XAUUSD scalp sell trade 1, achieving take profit number 1 with 12 pips and take profit number 2 with 20 pips. However, we experienced a few setbacks with subsequent trades hitting stop losses. Sell trade 2 with a 10 pip stop, buy trade 3 with a 10 pip stop, buy trade 4 with a 30 pip stop, and sell trade 5 with a 30 pip stop, resulting in a temporary loss of 60 pips. Before highlighting our successful rebound, let's take a moment to emphasize the importance of having the right trading mindset and realistic expectations. Here at FX Trend Following Academy, we understand that experiencing losses can be disheartening and demotivating. However, it's essential to remember that losing trades is an inevitable part of the trading journey, just like commissions and spreads, which are part of the business expenses. To improve, you need to develop the right trading mentality, adopt a positive mindset, and refine your strategies and risk management techniques. Quitting the group due to small losses might deprive you of valuable knowledge, strategies, and insights shared by our community. Instead of letting these setbacks discourage you, use them as learning opportunities to grow and develop as a trader. Be cautious of so-called Forex gurus on social media who promise unrealistic results and focus on maintaining a healthy trading psychology. Despite our initial losses, our trading strategy proved resilient. We entered another XAUUSD sell trade, number 7, which generated 28 pips in profit. We continue to build on this success with additional entries on the same sell trade, resulting in a total profit of 94 pips for the first entry and 107 pips for the second entry. Please note that we inadvertently missed sharing a profitable trade number 6, in some of our groups, which yielded 58 pips. We strive to maintain transparency and will provide a Telegram link in the description below for more detailed information about the day's trading activities. In total, we closed the day with an impressive 105 pips of profit from our free signals, or 35 pips for those not in all the groups. If you are in the group where we sent trade number 6 but missed trade number 1, your total profit would be 85 pips. As always, we appreciate your support and are committed to helping our community grow and succeed in the world of trading. Our free Forex signals will remain free for life, so please continue to support the channel for more valuable content.